Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about that little case right here in the corner. That is the Alpha 1 box that was added, I'd say recently, but actually it's been added about 3 months or 4 months or 6 months ago. I just don't have a video about it yet, so I'm going to talk about that, and I hope you like it. Alright guys, here it is, the 1D or the one drawer box. This is a interesting box, and you know what, now that I've added it to my station or my paint station, I do have this is an interesting thing that I want to mention to you guys about. You will tend to put a lot of crap in this because it's so big, and if you do put a lot of crap in it, it's going to start getting heavier, right? These open up pretty easy and they close pretty easy, right? This, because it's so heavy, you see how it's going to try to pull the entire chest with me? Hello, sorry for the awkward cut, but I had to remake the video because for the next couple of minutes I was explaining on what you can do to make this thing slide better, and the issue that I was having wasn't that there was a lack of lubricant. I mean, I've talked about adding graphite to the bottom of your box to make it slide better. That wasn't the issue. The issue was that when I printed this on the print bed, there was a little tiny bit of a elephant's foot on the bottom of the print job because I didn't level my bed correctly. So I had to get a little knife and scratch that off. Once I scratched that off, this thing slid in and out really easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut back to the original video to show you why you should probably trim these, because if you don't, terrible things might happen like this thing from going in and out. But anyway, if I didn't have so much crap in there, it would actually work. No, I dropped the miniature. Oh God, did it break? Oh Jesus. Oh no, I broke an arm. I broke an arm, did I? And that is why you should put sticky tack at the bottom and not put a bunch of miniatures on top. You know, that's not bad. I can, you know, that's a good cut here. Yeah, I can glue that arm back on. Let me see if I can find that arm. Where are you, arm? Here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Let's see. Let's see. Can you? Will you work? Will you work, arm? Will you get in there? Does that look ridiculous? Forget it. Oh, man, I am so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry, but you know what? Your arm is back on. You're good. You're good to go. I'll prime you in the morning.